cited. Not cited, that you cited. Let's hear one.
Mr. K talks about how he observed sunset standing on top of his roof of the building where he lives.
I like
I
that.
wrote that.
You said what I observed, what I saw.
He observed the sunset.
What did you hear? Oh, you're gonna have to talk louder. She can't hear you.
That you live in Sunset Park, and plus you talk about the Jewish building.
Very good. So that's what I talked about. That'd be the citation word. I like it. You got one?
You were like, oh, I took the V36 to school.
Okay. Yeah, so I said that I took the V30. Yeah. Very good. I saw him on it. You got one?
I know what you wrote.
You just said the important things.
So like what I'm trying to see right now by listening is your ability to use a sight word. So when you said, oh, he takes the bus.
Yeah.
Instead of saying, oh, he when we write it, we say, he said he takes the bus.
He liked.
Oh, he likes.
I didn't say that.
We have
I
different.
said he takes the bus.
No, you're right. But the way that we would do it, Jonah, is that we would say what he said, but we would cite it by saying he said. Yeah, or he explained. So yeah.
Yes.
You got one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I
Say it so everyone can hear it.
when he said about the living of the Borough, near the Borough,
Okay.
and it took me up to the place.
Fabulous. Let me hear this side. It's very quiet. Fabulous.
You stated that you live near Chinese and Latino.
Very good. Who can tell me what the sight word is there that she just said? The word, the evidence word.
State.
Stated. And that's not a state of New York State. Okay, very good. Okay, give us one.
Yeah, I think you're the one who made it, right?
I wrote it. It's me. I worked hard.
By sunset. Sunset sets every evening by the neighbor named Sunset Park.
Okay, could you repeat it again? I'm having a lot of distractions over here, which is hard for me to listen. One second, I just can't hear what you're saying. Go ahead.
Okay, I think the author means by sunset sets every evening, referring to neighbor named Sunset Park.
Fabulous. What was the evidence word that he used? Anyone? I know it's a weird way of talking. He said the word that shows what he's thinking. That was the word. Thinking. Thinking. Because he said what I was thinking. Fabulous. Do you have one for us?
Oh my God.
No, but you wrote down 3.
Yeah. Can I get another one? Can you get both here?
Mr. K explains how you see the sun go.
Yeah, the sun go, the sun set. Fabulous. What was the evidence-related word you said? Say it again so everyone hears.
Mr. K explains how you see the sun go.
Explains.
Explains. So that's the citation word. You're citing what I said. Fabulous. You got one for us? You want me to read it? But you said it. Alright, I'm ready to read what you wrote here. Let's see if you can hear what
He doesn't want you to read it to the whole class.
You don't?
He just wants you to read it. That's what he's saying.
I am going to read it because I like it. Mr. K described his building where he lives. What is the citing evidence word in that?
Describe.
Fabulous. Love it. You got one? I mean, I could read it. Huh?
He said there's a last one.
Yeah, so he went really into detail. Jewish, that shocking is fabulous. I like it. Okay, I think we'll just hear like 2 more because I can see from faces people are very bored. I can feel it. Right? Oh my gosh, I'm bored too. You got one? You got one?
says you live third floor.
Fabulous. What's the cite? What's the evidence? Citing evidence word? Set. Fabulous. So what you're going to do, and I'm not even going to hand this out right now, but I'm just going to show you and I'm going to hand that out in a moment, is we're going to be creating brochures, right? About where you live. Can someone explain what a brochure is?
An advertisement.
You got an idea? Wait, we should give her a moment. You have one?
Yes, like you describe how it is, like the place, how the place is, or like where the kind of cultures that they had and stuff like that.
Yeah. So like, let's say I came from Armenia, because I'm Armenian, and I've never been to Brooklyn in my whole life, right? And I come and I arrive, let's say this is you, because you're from Sunset Park, and I decide I'm going to go live at Sunset Park. But, I mean, I don't know anything about Sunset Park. I don't know if it's safe, I don't know where is good to eat, I don't know what train to take, what bus to take, I don't know what to do for fun, I don't know if there's nature, I don't know anything. Right? So she would be able to hand me this and I would get this information. So we're going to make all this. You're all going to make one for your neighborhoods. But in order to do it, thank you. In order to do it good, we're going to be able to know where you're getting your ideas, right? That's basically what school's all about. You got to be able to explain where are you getting your ideas. So, I did this, but I didn't cite any of my ideas. So that's kind of a problem. For all you know, I copied and pasted this all off of the internet. Okay?
So
Should I repeat that again?
Oh, that.
So I made
You're
this.
gonna do exactly the same.
I made this, but you don't know if I just copied and pasted this off of some website, right?
So you gotta do another one.
Right? I kind of messed up. I kind of messed up the way I made it. But what I'm going to ask you to do in groups of like maybe 2 or 3 people is you're going to have to look through this brochure that I made, and you're going to have to say, well, you know, where did you read this? So I'll give you an example. I talk about transportation, right? The D, N, and R train go through Sunset Park, right? That's a fact.
Yes.
But you don't know where I got that fact from, right? What's a way of introducing that idea, right? So I say, the D, N, and R train goes through Sunset Park. Arba, look like you're crying. Okay, you're listening? What's a way of explaining that with a citation word? And it might be missing. Yeah. So we could say Mr. K observes, so you write down. Let me get a pen right here. So you could write down Mr. K, I'm not even going to write it, you understand. Mr. K observes that. Or you could write this word. What word am I writing right here? According to. And what do you use to be able to find out where the trains go?
According to you.
Is it to me or is it to something? I mean, I know. But
Someone.
to what?
Something else.
I would put down according to the map.
Oh.
That's one example. Okay?
According to the internet.
To the NYC maps.
Yeah.
Okay? So hot. Okay, I do one more and then we're gonna see which group can find